Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip involves managing meltdowns and how to build a portable sensory toolkit that you can take with you anywhere. The focus of this tip is the mouth. And this should be no surprise because we know that many babies are soothed by pacifiers. So the oral area has been historically, for babies, an area that's very soothing. And for some older kids, it still is. So we need to get real creative with our strategies. One thing you can add to your toolbox is some type of an item that the child can chew or suck on. So it might be a lollipop, a Jolly Rancher, a water bottle with a hard straw. Something that allows the child to have that sucking type of motion that is, again, portable, easy to pack in your toolkit that you can take out to help prevent those meltdowns. Another way to target the mouth is to provide something that gives a crunch or some kind of a chewy type of sensation. That can also be very calming for kids. So you could look at things like little pretzel bites or taffy or licorice, sometimes things that are really high in sensory intensity, like things that are really sour, can be useful. It doesn't necessarily have to be a junk food. Apples are crunchy, carrots are crunchy. So you want to be thinking about little snacks that you can pack to use as part of self-regulation. So think along those lines. You can also go in the direction of non-nutritive types of oral stimulation. And when I'm in this category, I'm thinking about things like jewelry, necklaces that are actually designed for kids to chew and bite, because that allows them to get some of that sensory feedback, which again can be really helpful in situations. If you have a child who acts out and might actually bite if they are feeling overstimulated, these are really strong and good options. So some parents will even take, say, a long type of a straw from a coffee shop and let their child chew on that. Again, you must monitor the child and use the product safely, but you can certainly give kids little things that they can chew on that aren't necessarily foods if you don't want to go in that direction. Thank you.